Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UVXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I did this analysis on Tuesday, but it's kind of crazy to think that these lines down here, those annotations, were actually significant yesterday and were relevant. But after today's price movement, these levels are just no longer relevant because it was such a big move in the upwards direction. So I'm going to go ahead and start things off, just do some house cleaning, get rid of those lines. They've served their purpose for now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And we'll just start afresh again because, like I said, today, really it was a big move, biggest move this thing has had for quite a while. But the newest area of support and what I would call the ideal level, when we say, Clay, what make this chart look the best moving forward now? That sits right there at $5.81. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that area, that does not mean that the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword definitely being moving. I understand the price is way up there, that line's way down there. But as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the strength of the overall move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price is in full health, the price is in full strength. However you best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yes, absolutely staying above that green line would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, like I said, price action has got to be considered, basically in full beast mode. Now, as far as areas of resistance, got to squeeze down the chart here quite a bit because as you're seeing, it's been a very long time, multiple months since the price has been up this high. Next key area of resistance now, going to be right up there at, let's see, what is that? $6.40. And then after $6.40, next key level after that, right up there at $6.65. So keep your eye on those couple of roadblocks moving forward, and let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.